Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this commercial dustpan. So if you're like me, I'm tired of the flimsy dustpans they have a lot of in Amazon that are like, they look really nice but they break super easily. So I finally looked up for something that's sturdy, and it's just a black dustpan, but it's supposed to be sturdy and you can use it commercially for cleaning. So this one is really big, and it's a very thick plastic here. So let's put it together.
Okay.
And as you can see, it has this lip here, so it will like, you won't have a gap when you're sweeping dust or anything. It's gonna all go in. And let's see the metal. So the metal is pretty, it's like an aluminum metal. It's really light. So let's put this together. So this should supposed to be like more than 50 inches long. So I'm trying to screw the handle in. So that's the handle. So when you close it, you could like stand it up like that. It comes with a wheel, so there's two wheels on each side, as you can see. You know, it's hard to see, but there's two little wheels in the back, and it could stand like this. So it's freestanding, and when you're ready to use it, you just opens up like that. So that is our unboxing for today.
Thank
I'll see you.
Thank you for watching.
I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.